Friends, RBI Grade B DR is one of the most prestigious exam after civil services. I have made this detailed video for the Grade B DR aspirants. I hope that after going through this video, all your queries regarding Grade B DR will be solved. You will be more prepared. In this video, I'm going to inform you about the profile of Grade B DR in RBI, career progress in RBI, qualification and eligibility criteria for Grade B, exam pattern, syllabus, which books to study for the examination, etc. As a manager in RBI, you have to work in various departments of Reserve Bank of India. You get an opportunity to interact and work with bright brains of the financial industry. As a supervisor, your responsibilities are very high. People expect a lot from you. Your work can make a difference to the entire financial world and touch the lives of millions. You get an opportunity to diversify your skills. You can move between departments and work on areas from formulation of monetary policy to dealing and trading in forex and government bonds, regulating and supervising 34,000 financial entities, etc. As a Grade BDR, you are appointed as manager in Reserve Bank of India. You can reach up to the post of Deputy Governor. The Governor is appointed by Government of India, and out of the four Deputy Governors, two are appointed by the government and two Deputy Governors are selected from the RBI staff who had joined as Grade BDR a couple of decades back. Generally, reaching up to the CGM level is quite easy. Competition is very tough after CGM. To appear in the Grade BDR exam, you need to be first class in 10th, 12th and graduation. This requirement is 50% for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Age limit is from 21 years to 30 years. CGPA to percentage is converted as given in the table. Exam of Grade BDR is in three phases: Phase 1, Phase 2 and interview. Phase 1 is for screening only. Marks in Phase 1 are not included in preparation of final merit list. Phase 1 of Grade BDR exam is conducted online and is in the same pattern of Grade Bank PO exams. This paper consists of questions from general knowledge, English language, quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Although marks of Phase 1 are not taken into account for preparation of final merit, however, you should note that this is the first and most important phase. For general knowledge, read financial newspapers like Economics Times, Mint, etc., and one other newspaper like Times of India. Read FAQs on RBI's website which pertains to different subjects. General knowledge mostly consists of current affairs of last 6 months. Paper of quant is very calculative in nature and candidates get very less marks. The cutoff for quant paper has been very low for last few papers. Be ready for fast calculation. Questions in paper 1 and paper 3 are objective types. Paper 2 of English will be a written exam on computer system. Each paper is of 100 marks and you are given 90 marks for each paper. All the three papers will be held separately, which means in 3 sittings. After phase 2, candidates will have to go through interview. Those who are shortlisted in phase 2, for them an interview of 50 marks will be held by the Reserve Bank of India Service Board. Cutoff for interview call is decided by the RBI Service Board. Final merit list is prepared on the basis of marks of phase 2 and interview. Paper 1 of phase 2 exam consists of questions from economic and social issues. Syllabus of the paper 1 is as given in your video. For full-fledged preparation and short selection, you'll have to cover entire syllabus. I will recommend you to take a notebook and write all the subtopics related to heads given in the prescribed syllabus. For example, in the topic of measurement of growth, you should know about the difference between GDP and GNP, how GDP and GNP and per capita income are calculated, what is the base year for calculation of GDP, what is the net national income, what is the purchasing power parity, etc. Books for paper 1, economic and social issues. I'll recommend you 3 books: Indian Economy, Mishra and Puri; Indian Economy, Dutt and Sundaram; Sociology, C. and Shankar Rao. You can follow these 3 books for preparation of paper 1. You take a topic from the syllabus and read it in Mishra and Puri or Datta and Sundaram. Mishra and Puri explains the topic in very simple and detailed manner. For topics on sociology, you can follow Sociology by C. and Shankar Rao. These 3 books are easily available on Amazon and Flipkart and also in the local stationery shops. Paper 2 is of English writing skills. To prepare for this paper, I will suggest that you read a financial newspaper regularly. You should also write summary of at least one article in a day. This practice will help you a lot during your main exam. Paper 3 consists of 2 main topics, which are finance and management. As I told you in paper 1, here also you have to take a topic and make all the relevant subtopics. You will also find the subtopics in the suggested books. Thereafter, get all the concepts clear pertaining to that topic. The management syllabus is given in a very detailed manner. I have written the main topics in red color. You can easily find these topics on internet. Since this is an objective type paper, you need to know the exact terminology used in the management. Books for paper 3, finance and management. Indian economy, Mishra and Puri; Indian economy, Datta and Sundar; financial management, Prasanna Chandra; human resource management, any MBA book; union budget and economic survey 2018, and speeches on the RBI website. Books on Indian economy are very useful for paper 1 as well as for paper 3. Only a few topics from financial management by Prasanna Chandra are helpful, which you can also read on internet. For management, you can read topics online. If you want to buy a book, you can buy any book which is recommended in MBA program. You can also find these books online very easily. You should also need to read executive summary of union budget and economic survey of India very thoroughly. You should also visit on RBI website and read the speeches given by top executives of Reserve Bank of India. Friends, I have prepared notes on all the 3 papers for my exam. These notes had helped me a lot. As the notes are written in notebook, it is taking me time to prepare them in soft copy format. Once I have completed these notes in soft copy format, I will upload on this channel. I will also share my experience on how to prepare for Grade B DR interview. जो चैनल के सब्सक्राइबर नहीं हैं वो सब्सक्राइबर बनने के लिए तथा नए नए वीडियोस प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया सब्सक्राइब पर क्लिक करें।